Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to wipe data factory reset Nokia 3. So you can't access to the recovery directly. It's a disallowed for protection. You need from the USB cable attached to the PC, or can be tricked with the wall adapter. And this case I'm using the wall adapter. So first you need to press the volume up plus power button and connect the USB cable by holding until recovery will appear. And here we go. This is Android recovery, and you can do a factory reset, force factory reset, and this way formatting data. It can stay a little more. But it not sticks. It's working of wiping data. Slower, but work. Okay, that wipe complete. Now you can reboot system and start from fresh ROM. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Hope I've helped, and subscribe for more videos like this. Share, like. See you on next video.